there's one thing about Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah people do not know.
Yeah.
If Ghanaians will begin to appreciate that man, Ebehu say nyame na mo so ye bibi.
Oh yeah, Juma.
Ubet kan. I say mo as edifo amo ani sinyina. Mo di atam ye na Mahama ba ye nyina say Mahama came power because Owusu Bempah came into the picture.
Yeah.
And prayed. The one I say, I'm from Owusu Bempah. Come on, come say the best. I want to must have was you.
Number go as a poto.
Sunday when I saw Papa Bempah in Kumbina, or say, Yame Adomwa. Sunday away enemy.
Okay.
Sunday away enemy. Sunday away enemy. Date to say. Sunday away enemy at 24.
Yes.
And the Papa, I say, when Americans in Biatsen. Efa, there was a Ghana for you. Minim say the I was here 2 man on Oba can. The baby uche kasandi as I know person.
Yeah, yeah.
Say onipa onyankopon pese osan betra akonya no so bi. Ona papa be body ni on the 24th Sunday.
The prophetic man.
Ebe hu.
Anyone.
I'm on fire alert.
Aye.
Ebi so asen o man no say be di watam.
Emfa.
Nto ya de yetaku. Na de obeka no yeso de abeto anim.
Ani.
Now onyanka ye no. Ya badwendwe ho ne ya digest.
Okay.
Near decode because why encode at no. Or can you accept to be so?
Okay.
But said the Abacan or Haneno. Maybe you said on a papa, a dear maybe born or Haneno. Maybe you send a papa can Sunday.
Okay. The great photo for.
But see me be a dinosaur.
Yes, so we are so uncle.
So what me?
Ah, with you,
the be a dinosaur.
Uncle.
What the answer may be a papa video number.
Okay.
I was an NDC, Nipa Ben, you know me, and 7 days. Fireman. Fireman.
Now, Nyame Adoma next week.
God willing,
the assembly betuja about Ghana.
God willing, next week I will declare something about Ghana.
Empata omuwa epum.
The fish in the sea.
Enyumbia omutoya naji. Erade Emma mi hu nyuma no moto.
The song they sang at dawn last night, which God enabled me to hear what they sang. The one about whom they were singing.
Enuya omuwo forest mu. Enyuma no muso to.
The trees in the forest. The trees in the forest, the song they sang, and of whom they were singing. The birds in Ghana were also tweeting that song. The ground whereon we walk in Ghana. The ground, the earth was also singing that song. The various water bodies there are. The animals in the water bodies were all singing that same song. Now the 4 corners of Ghana, which are 4 doors, they were also singing the same song.
Next week.
God willing, next week I'll let you know what song they sang and of whom they were singing and what they were saying to Ghana. That if Ghana as a nation will hear and will take steps in response to it and they will permit it, this nation will be blessed. Now listen to me carefully. I said the fish in the sea, they have sung a song concerning someone. The trees in the forest have sung a song about someone. The animals and birds in Ghana have sung of someone in Ghana. The wind that blows in Ghana, the 4 corners of Ghana, they have sung someone's song, a song about someone. And I will tell you the song and the interpretation of it. And if Ghanaians will hear it, and if Ghanaians will permit and they would respond to it, it will be good if Ghanaians hear and obey. Now, the fish in the sea were singing a song and they were telling Ghanaians what they ought to do. The trees in the forest. The trees in the forest were saying to the people of Ghana, if you want this nation to progress, this is what you ought to do.
4 doors.
The 4 doors of Ghana was screaming out loudly saying to Ghanaians, this is what you have to do. The wind blowing in Ghana was screaming out saying, this is what Ghanaians ought to do. If Ghanaians will listen, and they would believe that Prophet Bempah is God's prophet, and Jesus called me and appointed me for Africa and the world. I love to see the progress of Ghana. We want a good leader. Now, who is the fish in the sea? And the trees in the forest of whom are they singing? Of whom are they singing? And saying they want to be the leader of the nation. Now, anyone that would despise the prophetic word and would say a thing in the form of an insult against it, you will not go scot-free. You may despise it. Clouds. Now the clouds was singing the same song. The ground whereon we walk also sang the same song. It is not only Nasi that sings. For someone. Animals are also singing. Animals are singing. The clouds are singing. You may doubt it. If it is the wish of the nation, I will let you know the mind of God if you want. If you want Ghana to be clothed in glory, you want Ghana to blossom, then Ghana, give ear to the word of the Lord. This is not politics. It's not partisan politics. It is about the interest of the nation. Let all prophets prophesy or put their prophecy aside.
Now, I say from the constitution on penny baby interna. Near Eka and any assassin Eka. And let us
tell you, Papa. Kai. Everybody could. Everybody could.
Okay.
But just will be ready.
Ready.
Aye. Papa Modi. By a hundred pacro.
Only pacro.
Aye, a hundred pacro.
Okay.
Papa Modi by a hundred. And I won't. Oh, now we are.
Mea. Actually.
We are me.
Actually.
Maybe a body, you know, to all my body.
Okay, you get body.
Why,
me who? Bakusru.
What the home are too grateful to for. That's our Baba for more.
The great.
Sir. Yeah, who that.
Count the any uncle.
Eh? Papa nkan. Omodin.
David.
Ba wo de tie ne nsam o kan no mayi mu miensa.
Okay.
Ana me di kodi ehu ni pakro.
Okay.
O say. Odifo bi emi ana no. Odifo bi emi ana no. Eno hu nye hu saa. E te say de to aso no. Na yem fa constitution no to nchen baby.
Throw it away.
O dey say, na say at the corner papa e be kan no. E che say o man the constitution no ene ne mfa. Uje. E ade a constitution ne fa say Mahama e be wan ka say yem fa constitution no to nchen baby. No aso say nyame say Mahama be ba.
Okay.
O dey say so obaba say constitution no yem fa to e ma ya adwene correct say ye oba be kan be di pa adwene akode constitution no so e ka so. What they say, and until we work say, in fact, constitution and to answer. Number 2, or say, Sagana for betie. The American cananke, which also means say, and likely Sagana for so day empty. And until what can also say Ghana for betie anke ye, the Ghana for percent, Ghana than Dubai, they fair, and your Macoso dia.
Be on point.
And you're not gonna vote the American.
Okay.
This is gonna vote betie dia anka eye. You can try to say, and you're not seeing Kwana to your ma obi. One and I see to your man. Then I said, Sapro, one or two about I don't know, Mahama.
Oh, Mahama.
Sapro. Oh, me you be him side on the tour. You have to have a clammy. What me that back a crack to swim? Sapro. I say, and yet not seeing Kwan at Tonyo Mide, Emma Obi, Tio, and yet not seeing Kwan at Tonyo Ma Obi. I got not seeing Kwan in him to.
Okay.
I say, yet not seeing Kwan at Tonyo Ma Obi.
Hey,
I said, Obi so better me up to your mama, Obi Korono.
Yeah, I'm on a sub.
Never be and no, and no ma air to John Manny Pacono ding. Na a real mo and no ma fish and pata will show more to them a boss head Paconi ding. Na the heavenly bodies, the moon was hiding Paconi ding, and all back castle say, and you're not seeing one and even to my Obi. Sangra for now, Bob, the to the mass I be.
Hey, I am.
And there was I'm walking. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I will say, my body.
What body?
Yeah. Mahama and a constitutional man of finance once I ran another time because I could do them. President be about 4 years, you know.
Yeah.
And he said, the ever made a constitution at one China, said, and you're not able Mahama, Quaya Manaba at 3rd term.
Yeah.
And now a bus the constitution I at 20.
Okay.
And also for the back for constitution in 20. A hawk and a marginal.
Okay.
2. So Ghana for better there. And that things are Ghana for better.
I am.
What I say, I know that thing. Because and this is for now, crampo. Obi, baby, who's almost a do almost to be. And to open the say, didn't get ya. And that deal betting. Because I don't know, that mosquito, I do not say new. And likely to say, or no, Anna Jenana, the vice president, Anna Julius Debra. Omni and son is general almost so, some Mahama qua. What do I say? Na me Jenana ono no constitution e ma na kwan e na ono no ehia se be ka se Ghana fo betia de opepe de ompempe e na ono so na si ntonyo ma no ndo ono da nche ono ka de onka ho
David
e na ba Julius Debra ono so Ghana fo kra ni ni bebiri sa na sa na ma fo tere nka to bi akọ ha no ntonyo ma no enti enipa nka ne mu odu e yesi edi nkatia ono so na si ntonyo bia ma
David
e na ehia se the constitution but to nchen asa ne ato amasi di nketia onipa He said the constitution to nchen. Na sa na ato ama no Mahama.
Yeah.
Onipa na si ato nyuma na. Osofo Bempah me gidi se. Ewie mu no ma fish in wia nyina ato nyuma na this time. Ebe John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Ente me nim dia na me di code mu no.
The great Putu ayako.
Ma ba wure papa ni nsem.
Hey.
Na me gidi se Sunday 24th. Me prediction. Me nyame na ya che me ono na nyame ya che.
Aye.
We are me prediction. And I say, we just say papa baba ebebo John Dramani Mahama ni say, "Yeah man, another chance."
Wow.
Because all the bahu nemo krampo na 4 years pa de. Untime fan entitero my man ni.
Debi.
So they can ba 4 years. And all corner dum so age Ghana afa.
Ane.
According to NDC and MPP by almost about say according to NDC.
Okay.
It's a near ma say am pa there. 4 years and untime fan say NDC. What do I say?
Okay.
Because Kumasi near Santa region class say yes. Say your light seven base stabilized by just after 2 years.
Hey.
Asana near is stable because plants are hold on more ba and near maybe or more as yes you bring stability in our electricity consumption muna afi yem be dum some be chakra maybe mu kra afi dey who say 24/7 the light mu kra
so say
ma be 2 years time.
Okay.
Nti eno kra na ono so na time kra dey aso. Nti say Mahama betimi aye bibi pa you say man another 4 years.
Okay.
What do I say?
Esrem Ghana for.
Na constitution be ma kwan na.
Hey. Ona asem ne wo no.
NDC for no be presa na menyi ni.
Monche.
Na MPP for no on be twa na ai ono be twi yenche.
Chairman ate.
Eto o my Ghana eduru ho de aha ba bibi bebe.
Ameye butu.
Na yesi afifu from no metete nsem se. Amanfo ye adwuma underground. To make Mahama go for another term, a third term.
Okay.
Because almost say lawyers are hold on so say constitutional intimi and stop on entirely. Because and they more majority on betimi and they take a decision of parliament.
Okay.
If you say woman team take a decision or parliament and go take a decision just say about me a referendum. Referendum ne say ebe commercial ani ebe commercial ni ebe yes and no. Oba say Mahama san ko bi mu ana ato aba yes and no. Say the mre bi 1990s mo ba bi je time no na ebe constitution no.
Okay.
Because yam free military rule ni emra constitution na yam to yes or no. Ama for to yes pa ma na ebe democratic rule ya afi ye to aba no. That am na ye to aba.
Okay.
Yes and no. So say eno bi am na be san aba. Ya be referendum. Akọ round the whole Ghana ye to aba. Say Mahama enko term na yes or no.
Yes.
Na ya to aba. O de what hold yes on. Hey, you see another na NDC ni.
Edra
Etino. Ya di code ya no. Ya hunu ne say. Meme gidi pa.
O gidi.
Say Sunday ya be. Eja Bempah. Me de me gidi say ahwa Mahama no bubun.
Ahwa.
Ya di code ya wi. Ano ya me magin chiro.
Wadwen chire no.
Ya me hwe mu no de me nyansa me de tototo no. Efa papa ne nsem breki into pieces no.
Thank
Me nya no wo mu no.
Okay.
Ana me ka chire we. Say me gidi pass Sunday 24th of May. Na me ka do for say o chire ya me birthday.
Oh, a great beautiful.
O chire ya me birthday.
Birthday boy.
Na me ya do o chire ya me birthday. O chire no nya me de afe ba ko aka me fie. Ye nyini o.
O nyini. So fresh.
Ama for say me come fie. Adwa me nka na.
O fie no. O ka kra bia na o ma anye ni.
Invention. Ada o nyini.
That's a fresh one.
Fresh no wo.
You're still young.
Nti mfi no mbeka se do so do.
Mbeka se.
Bet me atia ba be 38 ni 39.
Ai,
30. Nti me la ho no.
Ai. Ba so bro pa.
Bro pa. Onye oni na na de ka ko no. O ya ka.
Seven rule.
Enti ya bi adoma o chena 20th May.
Yeah.
Eye photo for birthday.
Ane. Location da
location da medem. Location na Momo kwan so.
Momo kwan so.
Na Momo kwan so.
Okay.
Number na good skin and bia ye Momo number.
Bibia.
And
o chatum.
Yes, we chat to am Sabeka. Yeah, we chat to am Sabeka. O chana ye birthday.
Birthday boy.
Now beginning at 24th, Sunday day me. Papa Bempah. Now some more can say the onyame catch a divine message from God.
Okay.
Onyame dia ba we no. Onyame nye na say chenchena nche.
Okay.
Muntie ne utie ne nkomo na. Onka say chenchena onyame say asomasi na eba. O say we ye onyame adwene. Aja say na obeka akire mo.
Okay.
Say mo betie dia.
Fine.
Be bo Ghana.
Ane.
Which means say your options say betie na anye dey.
Muntie ane.
Aja say. Good. Akwa say Israel time no mo ana. Na Israel for esungu Nyankopon say ye leader. Nyankopon pen say asa komo abepom. O say am I not in a me na me so mpo ma mo me na me di mo so ne mo kwade me ba. Omo say dey be ye pe. O here to say amamai mu fo wi ase amamai mu omo de omo hene yes ye pe ye die.
Okay.
Na nyame adwene no ba nyame fu say nipa no pe no ye ma omo. E mo omo ko fa Saul ye dey e ba e be di o minus. Aja say enti obia ene de onyame sini ne dili we no onyame nka say osofo wusu baba me kansa chenchena nche asomasi no wo say oba
baby
na mo wo say we ni de onyame eka
okay
say ye betie dia
ebe boam
na nkomsefo na we say we na eba mo fa mo de ntonche mo amosi nkom say ba umia na eba no se mo mpa ntonche mo amosi nkom say ofe say say dun katia na eba na mo fa ntonche Julius da bra mpa ntonche je na mo fa ntonche na mo tie de osoro Nyankopon eka asa Ghana fo ne papa Bempah be ya adwene ne de e wa atwen yim eduru ho a ni ebe hu na so de meka che Ghana fo ne wa wutim bia se memfa papa na no mu asem ndia
da bi
enhwe na asem ngofo
da bi
se de o kan o ne nya adwene oni problem bia
ane
na mo medi atem ai because me jena asem di me jena nkom se di me je de onyame na me so no ayene ba